Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, February 1st, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. It's hard to believe that it's February already, but I'm just leaving the soap shop now. I'm gonna go to the post office and run a few errands, and then we're going out to dinner tonight with Tina's father and stepmom, and going to the bookstore to get some more books. All right, I love books, you know that. But I just wanted to do a quick video and talk to you about becoming one of the 2%ers. Okay, we had our Wednesday night webinar last night with Joel, and he brought up the fact again that in order to become a 2%er in the network marketing industry, all you have to do is refer 10 people to whatever program or company that you're working with. 10 people, that is it. And if you do that, you're in the 2% club in all of network marketing. Okay, so that just goes to show you that the majority of people who sign up for network marketing never do anything. All right, they say about 70% never do anything. Another 20% or so might do, recruit one or two people, but then they give up when they're not making $10,000 a month after their first 3 months. And then after that, you have the 10% that's left over, which 8%, do more than the majority, but the top 2% bring in 10 people, and that's all you have to do. So with our Got Backup opportunity, there's no excuse not to become part of the 2% club, because it's a product that every single person who has a cell phone, a laptop, a desktop, or a tablet needs. All right, you're not trying to sell them weight loss pills or products that the majority of people can live without. This is something that people need, and it's at a price point that everybody can afford. So like I said in my video yesterday, I'm actually honored to be a part of this company, and I feel very good about sharing this opportunity with other people, because it's simply a product that will save your photos, your videos, your documents. Whatever is important to you will be saved, and you don't have to worry about ever losing that again. All right? So you just have to remember that when you join a network marketing company, you're not going to get rich overnight. All right? You can get rich. You can become very wealthy in network marketing. It's the only industry that allows you to write your own paychecks based on your work ethic. You cannot sign up and expect miracles to happen overnight. All right, what you want to do, and what I tell my downline when somebody signs up with me, I'll tell them, listen, this is something you want to focus on this for the next 18 to 24 months. Share your tour link with a minimum of 2 people every single day. Try to get at least 2 people to sign up every single month. It's not hard to do, folks. And if you do that, then if you get 2 people to sign up every single month for the next year, you're going to have a team of 24 people under you. All right? That's just your directs. Now you teach them to go do the same, and you're going to have a nice team under you. All right? And you only need a few builders. You only need a few people out of those 24 to become builders and take off. You might sign up somebody who goes out and recruits 100 people. You might have a big time marketer that you recruit that goes out and recruits 1,000 people. You just never know. I have people on my team who've never made money online at all, and they're part of the 2% club already, because they're taking action every single day, and they're going out and sharing the business opportunity and the services with people. And you can do that through online marketing. You can do that through offline marketing. You can do that through a combination of both. Whatever fits you best. You just have to show up every day and do that. And, once you do anything for 30 days, it becomes a habit. So start this month off by committing to going out there and sharing your tour page with 2 people every single day, and you will see good things happen to you in the very near future. All right, I can promise you that. I can't promise you're going to make any money with us, because that's, again, it's dependent on your work ethic. But if you put in the work and the time and commit to doing that every single day, going out there and sharing your tour pages, then you can make this work. It's not hard, folks. It's not hard. Anybody can do this. So start this new month off the right way. If you're looking to supplement your income, if you're looking to replace your income, I have a link below this video that you can click on. It'll take you over to our tour page that I'm talking about. You can watch the short video. If it's something that resonates with you, then go ahead and sign up. It's very inexpensive to get a global business started with us, okay? It's a one-time $20 reseller fee, and then it's $9.97 a month. And we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. All right, we're providing you with 6 terabytes of data storage. You can share it with up to 5 other people for a total of 6 accounts. You can use it on an unlimited amount of devices. And when you become a reseller, you're going to earn commissions by sharing the opportunity with other people. All right, you're going to get 200% commissions your first month. That's followed by a 25% residual commission each month that the direct referral stays an active member, which we have a 93% retention rate. You're going to get a 25% check match on every single person, all of your direct. So if you have a direct come in and make $1,000 a month, you're going to get a $250 check match for that month, and every month that they do that. And then we have team commissions, all right, which I have other videos about all this. So this is a very lucrative opportunity, providing you take action. All right, so I highly recommend checking this out if you're not part of Got Backup already. And if you are part of Got Backup, go out there, make it a goal this month to get at least 2 new direct referrals. It's not hard to do. Show up every single day, even when you feel like not doing anything. Share the opportunity with a minimum of 2 people a day. Okay, you can do a post on Facebook. You can post in Facebook groups. You can make a YouTube video. You can make a TikTok video. You can hand out business cards. You can pin up brochures to bulletins in your local area. I mean, there's all kinds of ways to market this, to share this with other people. So there's really no excuses, all right? It just, you got to ask yourself, how bad do you want it? All right, and I'm seeing the people on my team. I know the ones who want it bad enough, because those are the people that are showing up every single day and taking action. All right, and the action takers are the money makers. So I got to run into the post office, ship out some soap. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you have an awesome February, the month of February. I love February. It's my birthday in a couple of weeks. And we're closer to springtime, right? So have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you find any value in my videos, please do consider giving this video a thumbs up, leaving a comment, sharing it with other people that you might know who might be interested in working from home. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.